चलो फटाफट से स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करो और हाँ, जो घंटी नजर आ रही है बिना देरी किए इस पर क्लिक करो।
तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप लोगों का। और मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं पीवी सिंधु, न्यूली मैरिड पीवी सिंधु, और हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं दत्ता मौजूद। पहली बार दोनों एक साथ नज़र आ रहे हैं हमारे साथ, तो हम बात करते हैं उनकी इस जर्नी को लेकर और स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर भी बात करें कि हमेशा हम सिंधु से स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड बात करते हैं। यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा अलग बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस आप दोनों को।
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sindhu, how has the feeling been like a newly married? Has it sunk in?
Well, I can't believe we got married, but I think it's such a wonderful feeling, and it's a new year, a new phase of life, and yeah, I think he's always been very, very supportive in terms of yeah. I mean, he's like, you play how many ever years, and I will be there. So I think that's I'm really lucky to have someone like that. So yeah.
Delhi is a very special place for you because I was reading that it was via Hyderabad to Delhi on a flight that you guys started talking. Tell us about that. This is the story that he's been telling. I don't know what is your side of the story.
No, we reconnected on that flight. Yes. Vistara. I forgot the flight number, but yeah, morning 12:50 Hyderabad to Delhi.
How difficult was it to convince Sindhu, and how difficult was it to keep it under the wraps, the whole thing?
It was too difficult. It was too difficult because see, yaar, you can't go out and drink a coffee also with her. One of my friends was asking me, who is this girl? I literally say she's the LeBron James of this side of the world because that's the only analogy they kind of understand. But yeah, I mean, that's I think the fun of it, right? Today we can walk around, have a little bit of fun, and that's all a part and parcel of kind of life, yeah. So.
Sindhu, who proposed first? This is something very different from the badminton questions that I've been asking you since here. But who was the one who came forward with the proposal first?
He proposed me first, but yeah, I think as he said, it was where we reconnected in the flight. I mean, our parents were family friends, and but I think in that particular flight we started talking, and then that's how it all started.
Was the proposal very dreamy like, or was there any expectations that you had, or did he meet that kind of expectations?
Since I mean, we used to talk about sport, but I think initially we got friends, we got really close, and it was like one by one. And yeah, he should tell me if it was like.
Did he go on the knees and propose you?
No, that's a secret. That's a secret.
Yeah, that will definitely be a secret.
And how much of badminton has you've taught him?
I mean, he used to play badminton before.
I mean, never professionally,
Yeah.
just casual,
Just
fun
for
stuff.
fun, he used to play. So at times he plays, but I think it's a good sport, just it's a good exercise. So he loves to just play for fun. So yeah.
This will be a new tournament for you, India Open. For the first time after marriage, that you will be playing a tournament and having your husband by your side. How excited are you?
Well, I'm very excited, and he's always been my side. Like I think last year also Syed Modi, when I won, he was by my side, and of course everyone was really, really happy. So I think coming here, I mean, for the first time, first tournament after marriage, it's going to be definitely special, and I hope I do well.
And you turning out to be the lucky charm. She won the Syed Modi. Also, you were there by her side. You think that you will often travel with her for her tournaments?
I'll try. Yeah, fairly difficult because of the kind of work that I do. But I'll definitely try. I think what I told her is, it's a new year. We've been able to kind of, this time the coaching search also was very, very extensive. So we've been able to kind of comb the whole world and try and handpick kind of the coach that we felt was right for her. So I think the kind of journey, we've kind of changed the brands around a little bit. We've gone the athleisure route now. So it's a new year, new start, essentially new coach now, and I'm just hoping we can kind of sustain this momentum that she's kind of got at Syed Modi into Indian Open and then going forward all England. And
You guys are also having a lunch with the Prime Minister. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I think it will definitely. I mean, we've met a lot of times. Obviously, it's a bogi, yeah, Sankranti celebration. So that's how it is, and they've invited us. So we're just gonna go and just eat and come back.
And will you be taking Datta around Delhi to all the iconic?
He should take me around Delhi because he
I've lived here
knows.
for a couple of years. I've lived in Delhi for a couple of years. So yeah, no, I mean you can't take her around this anywhere. So I mean I've given up on that idea of trying to take her out for a walk and stuff in India.
Any particular destination you're planning to go after the India Open?
I mean, we are playing. I'm playing Indonesia as well. But after that, in Feb, maybe if we get some time off, then maybe we should plan. So.
स्पोर्ट्स की खबरें ढूंढ रहे हो तो इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो, चलो फटाफट से स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करो और हाँ, जो घंटी नजर आ रही है फटाफट से बिना देरी किए इस पर क्लिक करो।